All right. Michael Shortino writes, thanks for all the time on the live streams. Always like tuning in. Couldn't agree more on your RXP. Bow hunting sponsons made that much better. Maybe you saw them. Now everyone likes the stream. Oh, yeah. Hit the like button, guys. Let's get the likes to 100 since we have 150 people here. All right. James Alt writes, wanted a Cowie not available at the Lake of the Ozarks. Got two Sea-Doo GTRs in the garage now. Aware I trade availability for reliability. GTR 230 is a great ski. I actually really like the hull on it. I think the GTI hull is a very good hull. Obviously, you can't flush a Sea-Doo out of the water like you can a Cowie or a Yamaha. So that really is the biggest detriment. Love Ergolock. Love the ergonomics of the Sea-Doos. I prefer the increased storage on the GTI GTR RXP over the ST3 hull. Everyone goes, oh my gosh, all the storage is in the middle. I don't have to go over the handlebars. I go, yeah. You got 26 gallons of storage compared to 44 or 43 gallons of storage. The RXPX has more storage than the GTX. The GTI has more storage than an RXTX. I'd rather have the storage. I don't mind doubling over the handlebars to get something out of the front when a glove box is this big. I can put my head inside the glove box. I can't, but it's big. So that's where I stand.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.